Hello everyone, this is Personal Pronouns, labels for people and how they help in conversation. Our learning objectives are, after this lesson, students should be able to demonstrate the correct use of pronouns when speaking about others, and identify how subjective pronouns are used in a variety of situations. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Here's an example. Here's a picture of a man. His name is Jeremy. However, if we ask him what his pronouns are and he confirms that he identifies as a he, we can describe him more easily and refer to him without using his name by using a pronoun. So, a man is here and he is wearing a suit. So, our vocabulary for this lesson are singular pronouns, subjective, I, you, he, she, they, and objective, me, you, him, her, them. For plural, subjective, we, you, they, and objective, you, us, them. Here's some more examples. For our example sentence, we can use a statement like, Sarah went hunting. However, if we know that Sarah identifies as a woman, we can say that she went hunting. Next example, she is the pronoun, and it takes the place of a noun, which is the name Sarah. It is important to remember that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Example 2. One more example. Sometimes a person simply doesn't wish to identify as he or she. In this case, individuals may be referred to as they. Instead of saying he is fishing or she is fishing, it's proper to say they are fishing. The they pronoun is a good way to identify someone if you are unsure of their pronouns. I and you are pronouns too. While most Japanese people don't use he, she, they pronouns when speaking, they do use I pronouns and you pronouns all the time. You can typically spot a pronoun because it's at the beginning of a sentence, because these are what are called subjective pronouns, because the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. Example, I went to the park. Well, typically, once the subject of the sentence is established in Japanese, it's dropped. In English, the subject is maintained, so the pronoun becomes the more natural and faster choice. Example, Lily goes to school. Lily goes to my school. Lily likes pasta. She likes pasta. Lily asked me to go to the beach. She asked me to go to the beach. Here's a short video. So, worksheet, play with pronouns. Now we're going to take 15 minutes to do a quick quiz and compare the answers that you've all come up with. For some questions, there may be one or more answers, so take your time and try to think of each statement and how it sounds. For homework today, we're going to be watching a short video and doing a worksheet.